Hello, dear students. My name is Sunil More. Last period, we will learn about the frequency of bits, analytical treatment for frequency of bits, and then we are learn the Doppler effect in sound. Today, we are going to learn the reflection of wave. Reflection of wave. Reflection of wave. We are learn there are two types of waves, transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Firstly, we are learn reflection of transverse wave. Reflection of transverse wave. Firstly, it is reflected. It is reflected from boundary of denser medium. From the boundary of denser medium. Here draw the diagram. We are draw the diagram for understanding. Incident wave. Reflected wave. This is crest and this is trough. When transverse wave is incident on the boundary of denser medium, means we are say that fixed layer, or it is called as denser medium. Suppose a single crest is incident on the surface of denser medium, then he exert the force on this denser medium. According to Newton's third law, the same force will be, opposite force will be exerted by this rigid surface on the wave, and due to opposite force, suppose a single crest is incident on the surface of denser medium, then after reflection of this wave, we get as trough, means the force will be exerted in upward direction when a crest is incident, then according to Newton's third law, the opposite force F is exerted on the wave, that is, this is the crest in downward direction. Therefore, after reflection, we get a trough. Similarly, means when transverse waves is incident on the surface of denser medium, then after reflection, if single crest is incident, then after reflection we get trough. Instead of crest is, if trough is incident, if trough is incident, then after reflection we get as a crest. And there is change in time after reflection. After reflection, the change in time is t by 2. After reflection, the change in time is t by 2, and change in wavelength is lambda by 2, because this is the half part of the curve wave. Therefore, the wave is completed. One wave means there is this is the crest and this is the trough. At that point the time is t we are taken and wavelength is lambda. If crest is, if we are consider half part, then time is t by 2. Time is t by 2, and if we are consider lambda by 2, means that the change in time is again t by 2 and change in wavelength is lambda by 2, and the change in phase difference and change in phase difference is, this is the crest, and then after reflection we get trough, means there is the change in phase is pi radian. This is the important points. There is the phase change is pi radian. This is the complete description about the reflection of transverse wave from the boundary of denser medium. When crest is incident on the boundary of denser medium, after reflection we get as trough. Instead of crest is trough is incident, then after reflection we get as a crest. The change in time is t by 2 and the change in wavelength is lambda by 2. And importance point, the change in phase difference. The change in phase difference is pi radian, because after reflection we get crest, and crest and trough are in opposite phase. Therefore, there is phase difference is pi radian. Write down these points. Then next we are going to learn this is the first reflection from the boundary of denser medium. Then second, B, if it is it is reflected from the boundary of rarer medium. Reflection of transverse wave. First we are learn it is reflected from boundary of denser medium, and second it is reflected from the boundary of rarer medium. See here we are draw the diagram. Incident wave. This is reflected wave. This medium is like as a rarer medium. Suppose this is the crest, this is the crest. Reflection of transverse wave from the boundary of rarer medium means as like ear medium. Rarer medium means as like ear medium. Suppose this is the one rod and there is one ring. This ring is moving upward and downward direction easily, means this is the ring and this is the string. The string is fixed to the ring. When the crest of wave, transverse wave is incident on the boundary of rarer medium, means this ring is easily move upward and downward direction, means there is like as rarer medium, not denser or fixed medium. When crest is incident on the boundary of this rarer medium, we are here taken as ring, then the crest exert the force in upward direction. This crest of the wave exert the force in upward direction. Therefore, this ring is move in upward direction. Means there is no any opposite force exerts on the wave. That is the crest. Therefore, after reflection, we get as a crest. After reflection, we get as a crest because there is no any reaction force exerts by the rarer medium. Therefore, when crest is incident on the surface of rarer medium, after reflection, we get as a crest. We get as a crest means there is change in time, again change up due to reflection. After reflection, after reflection, change in time is t by 2. Change in wavelength, after reflection, change in wavelength is lambda by 2. And third, change in phase difference. Change in phase difference is change in phase difference means if crest is incident on the boundary of rarer medium, after reflection we get as a crest, means there is no change in phase difference. The phase difference is 0. The phase difference is 0 here. There is no any change in phase difference. If instead of crest, if trough is incident on the boundary of rarer medium, if trough is incident on the boundary of rarer medium, after reflection we get as a trough. We get as a trough means there is no any change in phase difference. The change in phase difference is 0. This is the complete information about the reflection of transverse wave from the boundary of denser medium and from the boundary of rarer medium. Write down these points. Second, reflection of longitudinal wave. Reflection of longitudinal wave. First, A, from the boundary of denser medium, or it is called as fixed layer. We are explaining with the help of diagram. Suppose this is the denser medium. incident wave. Draw this diagram. This is compression, this is rarefaction, this is compression, this is rarefaction. Again, this is compression, rarefaction, compression, rarefaction. This is reflected wave. When longitudinal waves is propagated through a medium, means suppose we are considering this is the air medium and this is the denser medium. Compression and rarefaction are alternatively produced when longitudinal waves are propagated through a medium. Suppose single crest is incident. Single crest is incident on the boundary of denser medium. Then this denser medium exerts the opposite force on the compression of the wave, and when wave is incident on the surface of denser medium, compression is incident, the force is exerted on this surface. The same force will be exerted by this rigid surface on a compression, and therefore after reflection we get as a compression. We get as a compression. Means single compression is incident on the boundary of denser medium. After reflection, we get as a compression. Instead of compression, if rarefaction is incident firstly on the boundary of denser medium, then we get as a rarefaction. Is we are say that when compression is incident on the boundary of denser medium, we get as a compression. If rarefaction is incident firstly, then we get as a rarefaction after reflection. Here there is change in phase difference after reflection. After reflection, there is change. There is change in phase difference. There is change in phase difference is pi radian, because if compression is incident on the boundary of denser medium, we get after reflection as a compression. Therefore, there is change in phase difference is pi radian. Then second part, if longitudinal waves is reflected from the boundary of rarer medium. Second, B, if longitudinal waves reflected from the boundary of rarer mediums, then Suppose this is rarer medium, free medium. See here, this is rarer medium. This is reflected wave. When longitudinal waves is incident on the boundary of rarer medium, consider a single compression is incident on the boundary of rarer medium, then this medium does not exert any opposite force on this compression. Therefore, the molecules of compressions are vibrate in freely. After reflection from the boundary of rarer medium, we get as a rear fraction. We get as a rear fraction. We get as a rear fraction. Means there is change in phase difference after reflection. After reflection, there is change in phase difference. Change in phase difference. Change in phase difference is 0. There is no any change in the phase difference is 0. If instead of compression is rear fraction is incident on the boundary of rarer medium, then after reflection we get as a compression. We get as a compression because this rarer medium does not exert any opposite force on the wave. If compression is incident this boundary, then there will be no any reaction force on a wave, that is on a compression. Therefore, the molecules of the compression is vibrate freely. After reflection, we get as a rear fraction. We get as a rear fraction, and there is no any change in phase difference. Phase difference is 0. Means from this information, we say that when a wave, that is transverse wave or longitudinal wave, is incident on the boundary of denser medium, after reflection, means simply we are say that when wave is incident from rarer medium to denser medium, there is the phase change in pi radian. There is produced the phase change is pi radian. And when a wave is incident on a boundary of rarer medium, there is no any change produced. Phase change is 0. Phase change is 0. This is the complete description about the reflection of wave. There are two types of wave: mechanical wave, transverse wave and longitudinal waves. And we are learn the reflection of these two waves in different conditions. Then